Savage life be like.
Oh yeah, I think I found it. She my cherry cola, she gon' keep me sober.
There was little type of what's happening. Actually, it's Tequila Gang. I changed it. But what's up? Make sure that subscribe. Make sure that hit that big thumbs up and like. So I'm hanging down with this slime. A slime ordering thing because I had ordered some slime, so ordered them 2 weeks. No, not 2 weeks ago, but 2 days ago. And I was really waiting on them. And yeah, but they're here. Alright, so here goes. Did not open it. It bust open. The mailman better not have it cracked. Any of my slimes are going to be mad. Next time you come by here, I'm going to say something. If anyone says that. So the first thing I pull out is, I'm not looking. The first thing I pull out is a note. It says, thank you, with the heart. Hey, Takia. Thanks for purchasing my slimes. Hope you love them. Refunds available. Slime order is not Skyflown, but grape flown, which was $3.20. Raspberry flown is $1.60. Blue cherry slime was $5.60. And extras was a small slime. A glow-in-the-dark pink flown slime. Ooh. But love you, Tequila. Hope you love my slimes. And yeah. That was a good note. So the first thing I found was this small slime. It was in a cracked container. It's purple. It was in a cracked container, so the dumb old mailman. Or he's not dumb, but the crazy mailman cracked the container when he was driving, hitting bumps and stuff. Caution. Be careful with my packages, mailman, because you didn't buy it. But I can already tell the slime is going to be stretchy. And yeah. And it's clear based on my favorite slime, so they should all be clear based. But yeah. This is a very stretchy, nice stretchy. This is an extra. It was an extra because it says purple, small, baby, extra. And I really love it. Cologne has tons of glitters in it. So I put it back right now. It's just my brother playing this game called Granny. But sadly, on to the next one. I'm just gonna sit it right there. On to the next thing I pull out is it's a weird box, but whatever. I'm not gonna be complaining. This is my glow-in-the-dark slime. I already know because it's pink and it has flown beads in it. Yeah, this is my glow-in-the-dark slime. Whew. It's not a whole bunch of stretchy, but it's stretchy though. My head hurts so bad, you guys. That's why I'm talking like this. That's why I'm not hyped like I always in my videos. Oh yeah, I'm sorry for not posting. I just haven't been feeling like I did a whole bunch of videos, but I haven't been feeling like editing them. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys definitely leave comments down below. Make sure you do comment down below what you think, what you want my next video to be. I can do a reaction to Musical.ly. I can do the Smash the Pass challenge, the Truth or Dare, and a whole bunch of type of stuff. Just comment down below, and I will make sure I hit you guys with that. But okay, all right. So me off of Instagram. Oh yeah, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. It's YK_Takia. My Musical.ly, I'm just gonna put them right here, right there. But the next thing I put is this. I'm thinking this is my blue cherry. It's not filled up. I don't care. video. So I'm getting everything out the way. So you guys will be focusing on me right there. It has tons of glitters in it. It's a little sticky. I'm not gonna play because I really don't care. Stretchy. Clear bait. Clear base. Yay. It's clear base. Jiggly, which I hate jiggly slime. But I do not hate this one. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is so stretchy. This should not be $5. This should be up to $10, $10, $11. I don't care how little it is, but if I was having one in the shop, I don't care what the customer said, but I bring it to $10. But my shop is not like if you buy something like the past money, it can go past is $5, because it can't go past $6 because that's just too high. And like some people don't be having money, but yeah. But I can't waste my time with these good amazing slime. And I will be sharing my one favorite slime in the end of this video. But yeah, not pink. Not pink. Let's I'm going to pull out that. This should be my regular slime. Look at it. It's so cute. But it's so small though. Look, it's the glitter. I think all these slimes are gonna have. Before I take it out with the flow, I got a piece that has like 2 pieces of flow. Look at the clearness in it. I don't care if it's sticky. I really don't care. The color just really brings it out and like how thick and how stretchy it is. I don't care if it's sticky. Thanks for the stickiness, because sticky slime is my favorite slime. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I ordered from Creation Slime. Because people say she makes really good slime. So I decided to buy some from her there. Alright. These are some pieces. These are some pieces that I will be saving over to clear up. So I'm going to put this. Actually, I can do a small slime smoothie. So I'll just put it here. We're going to be doing that in a small. I'm going to be doing a small slime smoothie. I'm only going to complain about this slime one time. It's way too small. But it doesn't matter. I don't care. And the good part about it is that it's a flown. Flowns are my favorite slime. Let's test the stretchiness of it. Stretchy, 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 stretchy. A little sticky, I don't care. But yeah. Now I'm going to put a small piece of each slime in small slime smoothie. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I have one more slime for you guys. What had no spill out? I think, yeah, this is my Great Flown. Yes. I just pull it that hard, so that's why I did that. See? It's very stretchy. By Chrome. Creation Signs. Handwriting is good. I mean, make sure I like it. Don't miss all my videos. Alright. I gotta make a whole bunch of room because I gotta add one more pickle son in my small baby son smoothie. I hope this becomes a famous challenge. I hope, pray to God that will be. This is very hard slime. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is very hard slime. But it doesn't matter because, I mean, you probably tried your best on making this slime. And, yeah, I made this type of slime before and it didn't turn out right. Look at it. Look at it. It's not coming out. Gosh. I should. If this turned out to a great slime, I hope it doesn't turn out purple. I got a feeling that it's going to turn out purple. But then the red in it might change the color. But I got a feeling that it's going to turn out purple because it's already purple at the bottom. But yeah. Alright. It turned out purple, which is most of all my slimes are purple. That's why the one turned out purple or blue. I wish it would turn out orange or something, or pink. Yes, or purple, or red. I wish it turned out like an orange or yellow color, but I know it was amazing. Let's do. Oh yeah, and I'm supposed to be showing my favorite slime at the end of the video. And you're doing, I'm sorry this video is so long, I didn't know that. But how slime is this? Alright, let's put this on. My favorite one in the piece out was this one because it's jiggly, stretchy. But yeah, everything about it is amazing. Let's do the action on. People texting me on Instagram, sorry about that. Alright, now I'm going to be doing watch this. I'm gonna get some slime. Please don't pop, please. No! It moves. Alright. I was gonna show you guys a cool trick with it, but it decided to pop. No! I've been making some good bubbles, but they just keep popping. Alright. Oh, let me get this. Get it out. You guys see that was cool, but it popped. So you guys can see it. It doesn't leave residue. I'm just doing it because when the bubble pops, million pieces of slime goes everywhere. Oh yeah, and a fact about slime, when your slime is hard, put toothpaste in it. Put 1 drop. Don't put a whole bunch, put 1 drop, because if you put a whole bunch, you're going to just automatically melt your slime. And you're not going to have slime, you're just going to have toothpaste, glue, or something like that. Sorry, Daddy turned out this baby. Oh yeah. And in my next video, I'm going to be doing a Musical.ly tutorial because some of you guys don't know how to do a Musical.ly. I'm sorry, but some of y'all don't know how to do Musical.ly at all. So I'm going to be doing a Musical.ly tutorial, and I hope you guys like it. And I got the new Musical.ly update. It is horrible. Do not get it. Do not get it. Don't get it. Oh, my hair hurts so bad. But hitting you guys with the. Bye, guys. Love y'all.